Hi Dress-O Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Cherry Blossom from Cookie Run. So let's get started. To draw this sweet cookie, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big dome curve right here. And then we're going to bring this side a little bit lower because on this side we're just going to pop it out a little bit and then connect right here with a slight curve. There. So notice how it just curves downwards a little bit. And we have this little notch right here. And the reason is because we're going to come right in here and just thicken this up. Come down to that point and then go ahead and connect for the eyes. And then on the sides right here, we're just going to add a little lash to pop out this little curve right here. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag this point across to say about right here. And we're going to draw the same thing. Just go up nice and high, just like that side. And come down. And before we finish coming down, pop this out and then connect with a soft curve that goes slightly downwards. And then let's come in here and thicken it up. And once again, just a little lash right here, just pop it out. There. And then in between the eyes, we're going to come right here, really close, and just draw a curve. And then we're going to draw this very sharp U right underneath. Very happy, right? Okay, so then now that we're done with that, we have to frame the face. So let's come to say about right here. The top of the eye, come out really close to the lash, and I'll just give myself a point, just like the other side. Then from there, we're going to come to center, and right underneath the mouth, I'll just give myself another point again. And I'm just going to go ahead and just draw this curve that comes around everything to frame the face. So it's like this big circular oval. And I'm going to come down to my point and connect. So when you're drawing pretty big, it's just much easier if you have points so you know where you're going. Okay, so then now that I have this all in, we're going to come back to the right here over the lash. We're just going to draw a curve that slightly comes in, and same thing here. So I'll just say about right here and draw a curve that comes down. Then from there in the center, we have this dollop, these bangs right here. So say about right here, I'll start. I'm going to come down in between the eyes towards the center, curve in, and then we're going to go up. And then come up right here again to this space right in the center. And then I'll just bring this up a little bit, and same thing here. There. So hopefully it's coming together nice and simple. And then let's see here. We're just going to imagine at the top right here. So that's nice and round. So let's come to the sides right here. I'll just start about right here. So I know kind of where my hair is going to be and this curve at the top. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead right here, draw a curve right over the head, right in the center. But if you're using a pencil, definitely just kind of take a look, come right here and draw the hair over, and then you can put in these little buns right here. So now that I have this curve in, I'm going to come to this area and I'll pop in this little bun that comes out, zigzag, a little notch in here. I think this one's a little bit longer, and then bring it in. So then whatever space you have left, just finish it up. There. Okay, so then this side, there's that side is on the back, so I'm just going to go ahead and connect this right here, and then we're going to go ahead and draw the other one. So say about right here. Pop this out, just like the other side. Little notch, and then bring it in. Okay, so then now that we have that, we can, let's draw her hair, finish up her hair a little bit later. Let's come back to the center, about right here and here, where we're going to draw an angle line down. Just say about right there, nice and simple. We're just going to go ahead and connect. Then come back right here to give her dress a little band. We're going to connect that and come back to the center. We're going to draw a straight line down on both sides and then 2 curves on both sides. This little ruffle part on her top, and then her skirt. So let's come up right here and we're going to pop out this curve, and same thing here. So let's bring this down. There's 2 layers to her dress. So bring this in. And let's see here. Let's just give, well, let's work on this side first. So I'm going to come in with a curve and another curve. And then this is going to go up. So notice it goes up to about right here. Just imagine this is coming through. And then the same thing would be about right here for the other side. So I just want to make sure I'm going to come down towards the center, find my center right there, and we're going to go up, and then same thing here, and connect. So just by giving yourself these points, you know it's just a little bit more even on both sides, and then same thing, we're going to bring this down, and just like the other side, curve and curve to connect. There, so hopefully I helped you make that a little bit more even on both sides. A little bit tricky, right? Then from there, the bottom part of her skirt, so let's come right here, we're going to pop out a curve, and same thing here, pop out this curve, and once again towards the center, about right here, we're going to draw another curve that comes to the center and connect. There. And then for her feet, nice and simple, right about here towards the center. I'm just going to go ahead and draw this little angle and connect. A curve, and then her shoes. And then on this side, just angle a little bit and connect. And same thing there. And then from there, let's see, let's draw her arms. So we're going to come right here. It's as if you're drawing a heart. 1 and 2 for her sleeves. And then this side, her hand's going to pop out. Just going to angle it out a little bit and then curve it in. There. Okay, and then on this side, well, let's work on this side first, and then I'll cut it off right here. She has these sleeves. And let's see. Okay, now we're going to draw her the umbrella. So right underneath her hands, we're just going to draw this curve that angles down. Just sticking this up for this little hand of our umbrella. And about right here, just imagine this is still going at an angle. So I'll come right here and draw a curve, another curve, and then this is still coming down. So about right here, I'll give myself a point and just draw this elongated heart. So I'm still imagining this is still coming down at an angle. So about right here, close to where the feet ends, I'm going to go ahead and connect it. So that way I have my angle right. It's all coming down at the right angle. And before I forget, there's another curve in the back right here. And then let's just make sure we're ending about the same level. So right here, just draw a little notch right there for the end of our umbrella. And of course, there's some stripes here, so I'll just add that in for some detail. There. Okay, so this side is done. Now for this side, we're going to come down about right here, and this sleeve is going to head down a little bit more. So about right here and here. The angle is going to come down because her hand's coming down. So about right here, we're going to go ahead and draw another hand. So try to make it about the same as the other side. There, and then cut it off for the sleeve. And then her purse. So let's come right here. Draw a curve. And then I'm going to just angle this right in the center. I'm just going to draw a curve and a curve. So 4 curves. So it's basically a rectangle with curves to mimic the cookie. And let's see here. Come down, and then another one that comes out. So we're going to go this way now. And connect. So it's a rectangle but with a bunch of curves. And I'll just come in here and lightly draw in the detail so it's a little bit easier to see. And 4 dots right in the center so we know that it's a cookie. There. Okay, and then finally her hair. So let's go ahead, and this side is just going to sweep across, down, and then this side we're going to add a little wave that comes out and just tuck it in. This part would come through, and let's see here. That is pretty much it for my version here of Cherry Blossom from Cookie Run Game. I really hope you love how it turned out and that you found this fun and easy to follow along with me today. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you out today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.